Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Sonata tail light, park on level ground, engage parking brake, and disconnect the battery before you begin. I will walk you through removing the trunk trim, accessing the tail lamp bolts, and replacing the bulb or entire assembly. Follow my tips for bulb handling, torquing bolts snugly, and testing the light before reassembly to save time and avoid surprises. With the trunk open, remove liner clips to reveal the tail lamp area and keep clips organized. Use a socket or ratchet to remove bolts securing the assembly, then gently pull the lamp straight out. Disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the clip and pulling evenly to avoid breaking it. If you encounter resistance, double-check for hidden screws or tabs before using extra force so you avoid damaging the panel. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more easy car guides. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is a simple way to keep your car smelling great after a messy trunk or oily work, and it pairs nicely with detailing tasks. I find it funny how a fresh scent can make a project feel complete. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the bulb socket by twisting counterclockwise and pull the old bulb straight out, handling with gloves. Install the new bulb and avoid touching the glass with bare fingers to prevent premature failure. Reconnect the wiring harness, seat the tail lamp assembly into the body, and tighten bolts evenly to secure it. Test brake, turn, and reverse lights before reinstalling the trunk liner to confirm everything works properly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.